acquire national call. On my morning, share Adom anu atumubi. Dwadano me di san komono asa dwadano na corruption watch for a demonstration. Say Ghana ha to me from kwaya diama auditor general. Wade hwehwe aban nnwumaku ahodo wom sikasemu. Ora Johnson akuamoa asiedu a waye auditor general wote so sesiei. Sa tumi no yanye mfiri ni nsem. Sa tumi no yanye mfiri ni nsem. Over the years, auditor general's report afibia the latest year ending 31st December 2021. Eno na dama nim hay. Akwaya kwasi ko ensuno ogina kwantia sika twitwiri dia ayira kodi individuals ankran krobotom yebodini poti report no ebeye hwehwemu a se asuma senior bentene woma di oman sika enso so na wa from ho adi yen say charge wo bia say wudi 50 Ghana cedis yabeje wudi 1 million Ghana cedis yabeje ayo mine sika nko ade a yabeje ade. But what are we seeing? The latest auditor general's report Amayi sika ayira just 1 year ending 31st December over 1 billion Ghana cedis. 1 billion Ghana cedis. Yadi adwuma hye wonsa na asemo amampani kan kura fa ora Johnson akwamu asiedu ho abra wode adwuma no auditor general adwuma no ehye ne nsa edemanim ha. I'm going to quote the president. I am going to quote the president because say obibedi omanga na sika na yenye ne hwede a ene na yekoya na ye bai enei yensa da yensa yem kurakura yakwa IMF akwa publician IMF for emeshe man na yenni so. Meanwhile sika ewo ankran kwere bottom since 2017 ode yemfa free ho ampomra ora Daniel Domelevo betina so wan bebre sa but wan nyekura no something within the range of 600 million Ghana cedis here. Otimi jeje. So why? What is happening? Dana mekai minimum penny nana do dan kwakufo ado ya adwen sika no dia wa ha yete sika no so e wa ha aso ye ho kire en ekom de en ena mpanifo no anso so e de tumi no ahye wo monsa se wo monhwe ye bebra aye auditor general's report departments and agencies ministries akwahwe irregularities ni ade wo ho nyina ya twegu kata so kama enso so asotwe bia ni ho. Our laws don't bite. Inti auditor general's report no acquire ritual but very ineffective. Auditor general's report no acquire ritual afibia moyenayin just bibia ni wa efrimu ba anabai demonstration a Dwadano corruption watch for omo ye pusu auditor general. It is long overdue. Se nipa nkran aban beba na aban foforo kra ba na afei asem no asai kra. One would have thought sen kaban foforo ba no ono ba besom enso so akwa business as usual. In opposition wo be po wo be come yenya di 2 minute man no pe No, I say achechede a obese odo nsa kaniti no. Onya de nsa kaniti na pe. Mew no akwashem.
Jim FM.
Abraham Penny Eddie Auditor General adwuma no Emma Owura Johnson asiedu. Na wadin sami tuja Owura Johnson ekuamwa asiedu. Omampani na ekasai, and I'm quoting him. The acting Auditor General has demonstrated sufficient quality and independence of view. For instance, he is responsible for some things that are unheard of. And I quote, on one occasion, say, in our history, the 12 statutory reports that have to be compiled and placed before Parliament in the year of Parliament, this is the first time it has ever been done. Even the most touted Auditor General before him never managed to do it. And this one has done it. I think on the basis of the work that he has done, the independence with which he has gone around with his work, if today efforts are made to confirm him, I believe it should be done. And that confirmation process will gather more public support. Abraham Penny in the Ghana National Anti-Corruption Coalition, SCMU, ewo Jubilee House. And on this answer mean, sa ayeye. Wadi ma wo Owura Johnson ekwa mwasiedu. Enti na yina ya wa rechim. Wamai ni sika enyunugu, and it is sad. Then you ask yourself, so my emranim. Say jumani ya the man. Na say ye hunu faso bia free so report we dey buy no yatimi agada at least be 2 million Ghana cedis bi. It don't make me point up any public makers so say it is true. We big to office CCA was because Auditor General's report no abeda ho no onim say enkosishi
Jim FM.
enkosishi na say in 1 year afe baako financial irregularities in one Auditor General's report amounts to over 1 billion Ghana cedis. Na yakwaya na ya bai. Enti ya besre. Mama yen hunu bibi because reho. Omai no ebre. Mama nko report him. Me wa Ministry of Health. And when I do not make kind Auditor General's report no na me bedru mama fan free her. Mama fa cash irregularities. Total cash irregularities noted during the period amounted to 45,763,607, which represented 4.23% of the total irregularities. These irregularities, which cut across MDAs, ministries, departments, and agencies, were attributable to the underlisted infractions. 1. Unapproved disbursement. 2. Unpresented payment vouchers. It says Sikano Aircar. Yeah, approval because nobody is watching. To the tune of over 45 million Ghana cedis. Payroll irregularities amounting to 5,583,498 payroll was recorded during the period reviewed. included in the total payroll irregularities was unearned salaries. Onye obinye onye adwuma bia so busumi bia so a yetua ne ka. Onye adwuma bia o enso busumi so a na alert na betom na akwayi na wadini free. Unearned salaries totaling 1,501,740 Ghana cedis paid to 146 officers of 47 institutions under Ministry of Health. Nipa ahane aduana nsia a womu ye adwuma e wo Ministry of Health ase. Busumi so a etia omaka womu nya adwuma bia. In 1 year, a car abon over 1 million Ghana cedis. In 1 year. In 1 year.
Adom FM.
We recommend for the recovery of the total amount by the heads of the various institutions to government chest without delay. Auditor General, now I train say they are share to ho. And we recommended for the recovery of the total amount by the heads of the various institutions to government chest without delay. Now ya train sao, ni akani say ya ni ajaho.
Adom FM.
Ni ajaho. Na afino kwa na wie ye na report for fraba. Na no so abebu agum na ya can say ya we recommended that blah 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 without delay. Ni ajaho. Ni ajaho. Adan ye your mind sir. Adan. Ena ye your mind sir. Ya bo mind say talk. Yewi ani asori ne na mama no ne na ye pebesia. I mean, does it make sense? Does it make sense? Joanna me bobo so say Ghana Nyankopon wanye ya bro. Niema chede a Nyankopon de dum yen pa efri kwaya ye wo nsuwansu ahodo nsu eto wa ha awia ebo gold a de amayen cocoa oil bauxite diamond nanka dem bio dia kan leadership ni aka ani akandifo a sabe won ba gine wo man no ho na won ba gine wo kye no ho areho
Adom FM.
Mami me phone lines no. Mami me phone lines no. Now there's this bit of the report. Let me deal with it. Stores and procurement irregularities. Answer anomamene Miniaba Mary Ada or a programs manager Ghana Integrity Initiative. Meneno and Chichen Komo. Auntie Mary.
Good morning.
Maybe I try to say.
You are doing
Nyamiadum ye said you remember ko de.
You are
you were very, very loud our demonstration at a course. And your call for the Auditor General said, Juma Sasawaye, na woman sika, at least surcharges we on my best search and be and sebet me aka sika. Sana mono na wano bini mupa, Jwadano, mitie the likes of war, something ladia yenini, but why? I don't know. Ebi amona the current Auditor General, as a or you too quiet or you too. I'm looking for the right word. I don't know. Compared to Daniel Adom level, who do you saying, Auntie Mary? Auntie Mary Pacho, you say we'll drive it there, but on network, Mete
wonderful.
Yeah.
Pacho, nipa die obia ni the Sudan is subai. Enti obi o hye obi so a o yenyu na mmombo de adwumade ehya won sa wonyina wo ye ne senia esena efata but then edu be na yehunu se nipa ne no onyu no dodo a na pusu na o pusu a na wo se wutumi sorry na wo pusu no kakra enti na Citizens Coalition na ye fi se no ma bi kwaswa e wo say ye to me ma o man nyina ehunu na ne enti a ye picketing na ye democrat na chese na ya tro accord service one year so then later almost je so no almost on be my time na ye twen ya ne ye ntese tina aye say ye constitutional mandate a ewo say ye pe information ana yehia say ye benya emwaye efi public office ho na I say one for go amaye bisa na akoye the same o hwe omune audit occupy Ghana sorry o say akoye up and down and swinging and so once ye ma ye wura fi edu o hunu say edwuma no etumi ni nyina ehye Ghana fonsa ena president agye no otu ebi so ontra ho no ondi ejuma enfa enti suban ne attributes ne die yentumi ensesa nipa senya ono ne sutie but ejuma ne die ne mandate no was say otumi edi hu juma na oye report na enye wanwa say oye sa because people before you be confirm no say ukaya ye man penyi edra ka say wo say oman yi mu audit akachi ho a edwumadi a wo dia ensi da say obi obeye reporter and statutory report no 12 ni nyina within the time period was what to me and now you didn't see a reason why on to me and confirm no papa no
but was that a fair basis and on penny bet me agina so aka say oh wetimi I compile sa report in nyina dia and na ma mfa dwuma no emfa no Auntie Mary
and say now nipa na all ka asem no the hiring person on na to me the one and all for nipa no na officer enimu ya and woman no and hu ya are you surprised the gentleman is behaving like that no because nipa output level indicator say my report my no we report ni wie so a na wo wie e won adwuma no start here and this say man penny say report here no ye okay dia and you shouldn't be surprised say papa you oh yes sir but then the other components of the report say of you to me aye dia senensa say we report no obi aye near end sena enfata e was so to me two anamon now my son dipano or tia sikano edema man and yet there one can was them and it is sometimes those unfortunate remarks they come back to bite us. It was dipano who send the penny of fano or the reports why they are saying and one meanwhile that is just the beginning.
Me bacho mode krata ekoto eko auditor general and audit service say the deputy auditor general na mukot krata nko si nsem is that correct
Bacho sanet here
okay me bawo adwuma no current auditor general ɔyɛ no ɛhenfa na to simpa Auntie Mary
yo ne adwuma no ne eto si ne sɛ ɔyɛ report ni wie a ɔman Supreme Court akyerɛkyerɛ mu pɛɛ constitution ne sɛ saa mee bi na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔyɛ audit na ɔhwɛ na obi adi dwuma bi na irregularities yɛkyerɛ sɛ adwuma no amfa no kwan so na sika a wɔdi yɛ no ebi koraa na ɛnyɛ ɔno na ɔdi yɛ but ɛnam sɛ amfa kwan so no ɛwɔ sɛ auditor general ɛkyerɛ wɔ report no mu sɛ aban gye to mu a ɛnyɛ yie nti sɛ aban gye to mu a ɛnyɛ yie no ɛwɔ so ɔtumi yɛ dɛn ɛka sɛ dɛbi sɛ sika no ɛkɔ de a ɛnneɛ wo a ɛnam wo nsɛm na ɛkɔɔyɛ no ɛwɔ sɛ wotumi tua ho asika na ɛno no akɔyɛ biribi wɔ hɔ a mfeɛ mmienu a waba yi nyinara baako pɛ ɛna wayɛ just one ɛna watumi ayɛ ne wasa wokae a former auditor general ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ bebree a ɔman yi tumi recover over 60 billion cedis. Ɛnti na kyerɛ sɛ baby adwuma no ɔnkɔ ɛno yɛ wayɛ report but then surcharging and disallowing no ɛne ɛma so.
Okay, it is a obika say who can report no na for instance payroll irregularities war report to him I think page 9 of the report say okay kayana sika yira amounting to over 5 million Ghana cedis. Now okay say we recommended for the recovery of the total amount by the heads of the various institutions to government chest without delay. And I don't know, is that enough?
It is not enough. You see, you don't have to defer responsibility to someone else. When the Auditor General has the power to disallow that expenditure and also indicate that the person should pay back to the state. What you say? It is true, say, at the institutional level, no, they have the audit committees. 1 year, but then it is also true say Auditor General Omaya Manutumi say or take a decision now. Fine now. I say court asem and it is a nipa or take a decision against you no. Won't fear would be court. Now court my interpretation. Now okaya and maybe a young Radomelovo no. Sana ekobai.
Yeah.
Emma Zoom lion court to cry. Court car say or a private entity and one may be now going to Sikana what is allowed and yes I and on a court me a can say fine. It is easier. It is also true at the entity level no your audit committee or no what Besha say and send the Auditor General na kanu what did they do but 2 minutes you know extendence and the new point say I say yedi adwuma ahya wonsa na wotu wana wontu menya kokudro endi dwuma nti wo hwe na wo piapia binum se binum nye obi nye na wo tie eti na wo pia sa eno no enya right leadership na wo se wotu bi die nim na wo yem obi ahun se akokudro ayede ahya wonsem no okay, but GDA Omampeni Ewo Ora Johnson Ekwa Mwesi do emu and how comfortable on Wankasankasano seemingly or with working with the president. Ejumano say ane ebepese bekono and so Omampeni yen sachaim. Oh yeah nka say yen sachayo. Nipa no so de ejuma na ekoyia or to be at the surcharge and disallowance and also be count. Oh, say Jumana ne pesi ye. But so she no to me nya dia. And to me na nipa obenya kukudra ye no. Why that is it. But yeah, we are not at this stage. We are not calling say he should leave his job. No, he should be allowed to do his job and do all of it, and not just he produce reports.
As a man, what's the offense here?
Yo, Mr. Medamati.
All right, Mary Ada, your programs manager, Ghana Integrity Initiative, and Yaneno Acheche and Komono. Adomano 6.3 FM. Well, into young fancy, Memphis 5 calls 0302 216 0302 216 0302 216 0302 216 Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
You're from Seneca, free.
You're from a Binda.
Okay, Binda, Quetia into you.
I'm not sure. What's the corruption? Anti-man fighting corruption will never succeed as a nation. There's no politician that will come and succeed. There's reinstate capital punishment. And yes, we will not succeed as a nation. This is corruption. We have to make sure that bad zero. Yes, I will never succeed as a country.
Medase Binda. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
CJ.
Yes, I'm Patromani.
Pastor from Kobe.
Kobe Kasa free.
The trade here for prime.
Okay, Kobe and you.
CJ, me honestly. And to me, as science conclusion, yeah, yet to move here, and learn that constitution, send me a year. Ghana, Yaren Koso. Yaren Koso. It is young constitution, it is that started Dawa, and then from country, and the type where you. No, what the one to form, no, that is from not the time I could say, Sana and constitution yet. Na one. Domlebo ye Juma kama. Ordinary for politicians so pair and one any ban also. A Juma na Domlebo ye no CJ na nyatwa. Na we can quarry ni Ghana ha. Quarry ni Ghana ha. Corruption no the DM which I shall want to say Beyi no pay no can want sama CJ yaw mo bo CJ me pass na amota kan blood want them the sram one of these days me banam no mabeka me yeah sadly e wo kolebu ma me blood ma nyusu won afa.
Okay, hello, good morning.
Good morning, CJ.
Yes, I'm Patrick. You're from Seneca, friend.
Patrick, your friend Tete, I'm preparing for Bodumas.
Ain't you, Tete?
I said, oh,
I
got your name, Chanapa.
I also.
CJ, hey, yo, you're demanding your tax. Yeah, Bob, I don't say I'm gonna pay you. Nothing for we meet you, no moody. No moody, no punya, say. Eh? Yes, again, I say, I cook. Me mami wu jaye na asitu papa na before na mo hwe na ye di sika no na me be tia mo ka mo be nya stroke and say na mo ewu good afternoon
tete da me das. Hello, good morning.
Morning, CJ.
Yes, madam. So mami
CJ.
Bibi aboko
Adom CJ.
Yenti so
mama so ni asempa
ya sha opa
CJ no question ni she auditor general report now they are better about saying I sufficient politicians buigu tiba mufu buigu and you say them pa no mind Ghana ebeye baby do the major bomb person ya miso hu mobo if you say nearly that so baby ya omo munya manyo so mo bo mind no krono omo munya manyo so mti bi ni so bo mind no krono it say if no mind Ghana jina I sensible CJ unya menyeju
me that's of mama. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Bajo Maini. Yeah, Rosine. Papa, ain't you?
What's that? You cannot. What I am that you want open. I am a some of what you put us on and we see that. And you want to do the the president is coming in. And the road. So, neither means we are coming in here. Constitution, what is that?
Okay, but that's a pa. Me for last caller. Name fancy. Hello, good morning. Hello.
CJ, I'm from J. Kawano Pay.
And council so when you.
CJ, only operate all the way from home.
Operate until we are my last caller.
Yo, CJ, me person me bisa say let's Ramon and Joe for be brief. Say the whole country said they are saying me ba ye cannot be it, you know. Munti me Emma mum put the my nation youth no see arising arise about enterquasemo say ye constitutional change because constitution you know I mean yeah say no obi favor ntina where constitution no and obi so babia o say oh I didn't favor na there on say intino ensem job mo sorry na ye can say opinion leaders asofo so omo nye ye can say corrupt no once peja won ye nyina ye de dentre penfo na wo di animu no say ye penses and Supreme Court judges now what was said one nuanum of villages one by village one nanum one aminum bisu of villages ye nyina ye so ne answer constitution because if ever the pack a crabby and I don't want to answer the etua to na crabby lady yes wrong baby because baby the system no kono and penfo no mo we are you to the power. I'm telling you, CJ, you have over the me apparently me can say no pay for 1 2 1 we say I'm pan no Bruno Brewa one day come out some can e bia na Adamu na akwako fetio mu that time no ye ma e bia you can say playing continue when baby dey afa na me no be ba ni ejina ye mfa dey mbobi but ye ma plane no so driver no on kotenem so that is the one show won ye na ne ye kan say one ti Mestre bebre ebinu ebe papa na omu pese obeti ni amebunu kadia and na nka also radio no ntie pa no hu se mebunu are suffering in the country because the econo yensu say yen trust as our suffer ni ahemfu ni nyina mu ntie say mo nsantrefo no na mo ye den mo story die
yen fancy ain't me for bia bio yen fancy na ma Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa efie anyhow Bidin the Chief Jerry Forsen, my number no and say 0206943337 0206943337. Like me page on Facebook, page Chief Jerry Forsen CJ on Facebook. Chief Jerry Forsen CJ on Facebook. Nothing. Let's keep in touch. Now me aduma ochina yade the People's Forum. Yade every Botiano English amount from constituency precisely New Botiano Junction and yadi the People's